Unlike the equatorial countries, which only have a wet season and a dry season, Europe has 4 seasons: autumn, winter, spring and summer. And every season, nature dresses in a different gown. Personally, I'm not so fond of winter, because it's too cold. Even though global warming ensures that we are often spared of snow here in Belgium. I like spring, when everything is in bloom, and summer, when the days are long and warm. But when it comes to showing the colors of nature, autumn is by far the most beautiful season of all. Autumn is a time when the trees lose their leaves. But before they fall, they go from different shades of green to yellow, red and brown. I enjoy being one with nature. That's something I inherited from my father. My mother has no connection with nature whatsoever. To her, every tree is the same. My ex-wife was also a city girl. She could walk for hours through shopping streets, but not even 20 minutes in the wood without being tired. I once said to her, if every tree were a display window, you wouldn't be tired. Me, I really love walking in woods and parks, enjoying the fauna and flora. There are people who need a church, a mosque or a synagogue to meditate. Of course, there's nothing wrong with that. But for me, nature is my temple. This is where I fill my lungs with life and give my sorrows back to Mother Earth. The trees are the pillars of my temple. The sky is my heaven. The soil is the path that keeps me on the straight and narrow. The animals are my saints, ponds and brooks my holy water. No invisible supreme being can replace the tangibility of nature. This is where I meditate about the beauty of life and learn to cope with the hardships. This is where my plans for tomorrow, next week or next year unfold. This is where I analyze what's important and what is not. This is where I surrender to sweet dreams and crazy fantasies, but this is also where I come to terms with the sometimes harsh reality. Most of the stories I write for this vlog come to me while I'm walking through nature. Isn't it magic how inspiring a leaf, a flower, a mushroom, a bird, a swan, a duck, or a butterfly can be? Like the seasons, life is sometimes cloudy, sometimes bright. Sometimes we have to weather the storm before we can enjoy the sunshine. But all in all, life is colourful as nature in autumn. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Home Base Belgium. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Paul. See you again next time.